also add, kò sẹ́ni tí ó wà ní ayé tí ó mọ̀ ṣe o. Tí ó bá ní anybody tí ọwọ́ ti ṣẹ̀, directly or indirectly, I'm using this medium to say, please forgive her. And keep praying for her. I think the only thing we can actually do is to find a way in unity to keep her legacy, to make her name remembered for life. Even if she's gone, let all that she has done.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi, àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí Rotimi Salami tó jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí ALLWELL Adémọlá tí wọ́n sin ní àná, àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí arákùnrin yìí tí ó sọ, àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ náà nìyí ni wípé kí gbogbo èèyàn kí wọ́n sọ́pọ̀tù àwọn nǹkan tí arábìnrin yìí tí ó fi sílẹ̀ àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ní ara àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí arákùnrin Rotimi Salami sọ òun nìyí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ́tí sí àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó sọ.
Stay with us, guide us, build us, and together let's raise more new generations of stars, just like she did while she was alive. Thank you everyone for supporting ALLWELL. Thank you everyone for supporting Rotimi Salami. And I also would say that the only way I can also say thank you, because I know I'm big now, but Ọlọ́run ló tóbi jù. Anybody that has to do any work, to have a share 2 days, Mark, I will give 1 day for free to anyone here. I'll do 1 day for free. Please accept this as a little token to give back to how you all have supported me from inception. Thank you.